Hello, is anybody still there? Hi, welcome back to Pencils and Stories. My name is Henrike. I make comics and illustrations and help other creatives to create their own story-based projects. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick update on Pencils and Stories. I'm not going to go into too much detail, but if you want to know about the last few years, what I've been up to, how my recovery went, and how I dealt with not being able to make art and getting back into art and all of that stuff, let me know in the comments down below and I will make a separate video for you. Another reason I wanted to make this video is that I want to invite you to my workshop that I'm teaching on January the 9th. It will be a free workshop for email list subscribers, so definitely stay tuned for that announcement. I've been away for a long time. I don't know if you noticed. If you're still here, you're awesome. Thank you so much, and thank you so much for watching this video. Very short version. I have been sick. I had thyroid issues. I had a very bad reaction to the medication to the thyroid issues, which caused my joints to swell up and basically be super painful, and then having to recover for like a year. And on top of that, my brain just kind of switched off. I had a lot of brain fog. I basically could not really think very well. So that took forever to clear up. And after that, when I got my energy back and I got my strength back, I actually had to deal with the mental implications of being sick, COVID, income loss, all that stuff. So that was another year of my life. So beginning of 2024 was when I actually felt like I had my life back again, which was amazing. And it's still amazing. I'm still doing well. I'm working on my health, getting stronger, working on movement and that stuff. 2024 was just basically me building my life back up after a year, figuring out what do I want to do with my life? What do I want to do with art? What do I want to do with pencils and stories and stuff? And it just, for the longest time, it just wasn't clear because I did not want to go back to the way I did things before I went sick. That Pencils and Stories is still, it's not going anywhere. This is still, at this moment again, it is my passion project again, which I really, really like. It's how it started. I have a blog again. That's also kind of like a low-key thing that I can do whenever I have time and when I feel like I have something to say. I really would like to start documenting my journey more, like getting back into art, which is still a thing. Getting back to art, getting back into making comics, learning new programs because my computer died and I have a new computer and I actually switched to Apple. So it means that I lost so many of the programs that I use. Like the art stuff, I just discovered that I probably just need to get back into comics. That's the thing that I love. After a year of trying to figure out what I love to draw and kind of like rediscovering kind of like what I like and don't like about my style, I came to the conclusion that, hey, I like making comics. Who knew? It's been a journey, but sometimes it's necessary. It's just really good to figure out that you just like something, It's okay. You just like something. Just do that. One of the reasons I wanted to create this video to actually invite you to my newsletter, because I want to treat YouTube and blogging and stuff like that like a passion project again. When I feel like I have something to share, I will make a video, I will make a blog post or whatever, and I will share it with you guys. The way to keep updated on that is to subscribe to my newsletter. My newsletter is the only thing that I'm going to actually create on a regular interval. At this moment, it is a monthly newsletter. It will have story tips. It will have stuff I'm working on, things I find, like all the things. It is called The Story Crew. For those who didn't know, I named it. And the crew has still been amazing. It's really great to send out stuff to you guys again. And I also decided that the only thing that I'm offering is my comics course, obviously, the newsletter, exclusively for my newsletter subscribers, a quarterly free workshop. It's a workshop that I will eventually put on the website behind a paywall. But for newsletter subscribers, that workshop is actually free. They will receive the link when I go live, because it's a live workshop. They will receive the link. They will have access to the replay for a week. and then I'm removing it for them, and it's going behind the paywall. So if you want free workshops every quarter, you can join the monthly newsletter, The Story Crew, and you can do that at pencilsandstories.com/extra. The link will also be in the description below. The first workshop of 2026 is a Creative Project Audit. This workshop will be held on January 9th at 7 p.m. Central European Time. The Creative Project Audit is meant to help you pick out your projects for 2026. We're going to review your creative practice over the last few months. We're going to look at what went well, what could have gone a little bit better, what are you struggling with, and then we're going to look at the future. What are your goals for 2026 or even the coming months? And what do your creative projects need to do for you? What lights you up? What is the most fun? I'm going to guide you through all of these questions with some writing prompts. So bring your notebooks because we're going to do a little bit of writing. My goal for this workshop is to help you make the decision a little bit easier as to what kind of creative projects, what kind of stories you want to be working on for 2026, or even some story projects that you want to start in this year. At the end, there will be a Q&A, so bring your questions about your creative projects or anything else you want to ask me. Again, the workshop will take place at January 9th, 7 p.m. Central European Time. There will be a replay that will be available for newsletter subscribers to watch for about a week after the workshop has taken place, and then I will take it down and it will go behind the paywall. So subscribe to pencilsandstories.com/extra to be notified when the workshop starts and also to get the link to the replay. All that's left is for me to thank you so much for your patience. Thank you so much for sticking around. If you're watching this, you're the best. Thanks so much. Thanks so much for watching this video. And for now, just go make a comic, go make an illustration, go write a cool story, or just make a little tiny mini doodle. Whatever you do, just do something creative today, and I will see you in the next video.